Here we go.
Now the House has elected a new speaker. I can call and congratulate him. I'm ready to work with him or any Republican in Congress to make progress on the American.
I've heard that one before.
On up for the American people.
On up for the American.
How did you ever screw up so bad?
Starting last week, if Big Pharma raises prices faster than inflation, they're going to face big penalties.
Shut up, bro. Shut up.
Starting last week, Americans can get tax credits.
Americans can get tax credits.
Americans can get tax credits.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone?
And the lawyers arranged for the Department of Justice to take possession of the document. So we're going to see all this.
Schools is this nation's backbone.
Fold. I'm confident. Thank you very much.
You want to help now?
Yes.
You fly in for the weekend and decide you want to help? You're late. Where have you been?